5. Hey guys, GhostHall66 is back with another video, and today, and I also made a 5 subscriber special. Sorry, I was talking to my friend. So anyway, we're gonna be doing some flood escape with my buddy right here. You see the guy, Juicy? Alrighty. Look, come over here, dude, come over here. Gooshy. Sorry. Anyway, I also want to show you my secret place. Let me show you it. Look, where is it? There was this secret place. That's what. Anyway, let's do this. Okay. What? One of them is 5-star special. Thank you so much. Well, I already have 6 subscribers though. I have 6 subscribers. Anyway, this video either might be long, short, or medium. Whatever. Dude, are you making your video? Oops, I accidentally fell. Yes, the water jump. Hold on. Get your water tank if you have. Do you have your water tank? Dude, hold B to go under, to swim, to dive, and hold A to swim up.
But for some reason, it just wouldn't let me go up anymore.
Probably either the settings are different, or it's probably because your button isn't working anymore. Probably one of those.
No, like literally, it just like, I got to a certain point and it just stopped letting me sleep.
That was weird.
Yeah.
Well, I can move myself. Oh, Dark
I
Ski
am in
Forest.
pain.
Oh, and I also want to show you guys a little shortcut. It won't let me. Yes! I finally got up. Oh, and
Why can I get up? I can't get up.
this trick,
Oh crap.
when the acid comes up, you can climb that ladder. But I'm not gonna show you guys it because I have to reset for some reason. Dude, where are you? Are you in the lobby? Come over here. Come over here, dude. Okay, get in front of me. Get in front of me and do your animation.
Weird.
Okay, so like this, see?
The store, okay, emote,
Press Y.
I can't afford Fortnite. I can't afford Fortnite.
Look at your settings. It has to be the button Y. Whatever you... Do you want to buy an animation? Wait, how many subscribers do you have?
I'm like 27.
27, huh? Nice. Alrighty, now let me...
What's another YouTube video name? What's another YouTube video name?
What?
What's another YouTube video name? I can't find that one.
Okay, one of them is Lego Minecraft Season 2, Episode 1. Lego Minecraft / Ninjago. Lego Minecraft / Ninjago.
Ninjago.
Yep.
Ooh.
Don't put the words SLASH. Just put the line like that. Like this.
Oh, the line.
Okay.
Lego
Hey, dude.
/ Yeah.
Do you want me to tell you some codes
For what?
for gems and coins? That's what.
Oh, I'm just getting short.
You can search. You should search them up in YouTube. Well,
Hurry
either.
up and get in here. Hurry up before the sun comes out.
Okay.
Hold up. I need you to just like comment in one of my videos and then I'll press your name. So can you like comment in one of my videos?
Well, possibly. I think. I don't know what you mean, but okay.
Like comment. You don't know what a comment is, bro?
Call me. Call you?
No, comment. Like a comment on the YouTube.
Oh yeah, comment. Yeah, comment.
Crap. I don't want to lose no air.
Comment on one of my videos.
I can't because I can't find any.
Okay, here's how to spell it. S Q U A
U A
R
R
I
I
S
S
and then H.
H squarish.
No space, but put the word smile. No space in it. Capital S though, capital S. And then
Wait, so squarish smile
space
space.
YT.
Okay. It says no results found.
What are you talking about?
It's saying that I know results found. I couldn't find it.
Huh, that's weird.
Yeah, just comment on one of my videos and you'll be faster.
Tell me yours, dude. Tell me yours.
Alright, mine's my Xbox name,
But does it have numbers in it or whatever?
no.
Let me see. Okay. Hold on. Guys, be right back. Okay, sorry guys. I had to search up his video. And plus,
Alright, did you, which one go on one of my videos? Comment on one of my
yeah.
videos?
I saw you with the brown skin and black hair. And also
Wait, on which one? Which video? What's the name?
NBA 2K17 and some other words. Run it up, possibly? Run it up? Oh, insane! Let me do it! Insane! Yes, Lost Desert, insane.
Okay, I'm insane. I'm on insane. Where's you at? I'm on you.
I'm going after the button. There we go.
I'm coming after you. I'm coming right behind you.
Hurry, dude. Oh, over here. Over here, dude. Oops, fell again. What the heck? I keep on falling.
How are we supposed to get past that little rope?
I don't know.
Or I'm gonna jump.
Yes. Come on.
Crap, that's active. You guys, you better go.
I know, I have to be careful because I may die. You're not getting me this time, closer. Whatever that means. I don't care. So yeah. Oops.
Quick, guys, come on.
Come on.